For Ascension Day 2020 in lockdown, Charles Wesley's Ascension Hymn. Hail the day that sees him rise, Alleluia, to his throne above the skies, Alleluia. Christ the Lamb for sinners given, Alleluia, enters now the highest heaven, Alleluia. There for him high triumph waits, Alleluia. Lift your heads, eternal gates, Alleluia. He hath conquered death and sin, Alleluia. Take the King of glory in, Alleluia. Lo, the heavens its Lord receives, Alleluia. Yet he loves the earth he leaves, Alleluia. Though returning to his throne, Alleluia, still he calls mankind his own, Alleluia. See, he lifts his hands above, Alleluia. See, he shows the Prince of Love, Alleluia. Hark, his gracious lips bestow, Alleluia. Blessings on his church below, Alleluia. Still for us he intercedes, Alleluia. His prevailing death he pleads, Alleluia. Near himself prepares our place, Alleluia. He the first fruits of our race, Alleluia. Lord, though parted from our sight, Alleluia. Far above the starry height, Alleluia. Grant our hearts may thither rise, Alleluia. Seeking thee above the skies, Alleluia.